Today we're reviewing the Heyday open-ear wireless earbuds. Hi, welcome to ZGadgetReview. Here we have the Heyday open-ear wireless earbuds, and as you can see here, open-ear, comfort fit, Bluetooth, IPX4, sweat resistant, up to 5 hours playback. Case gives you 3 additional charges. Older lady here enjoying her music, I guess. I don't know. So let's do an unboxing really quick. I already cut the tape here and I pulled the tab a little bit because if you see my previous videos, I always end up destroying this box. And I didn't want to destroy this box this time, so I did do that this time. I didn't actually take it out of the box or anything like that. So, oh, this came out so much easier than the last one. There we go. Some instructions here. Welcome. Dun, 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 dun. Then we have case. It's a really small case. I'll be right back. It looks like there's like the ear tips there and the cable. So let me take a quick look at that. All right, I was able to successfully open it, and it looks like there's only a charging cable right here. USB-C charging cable. There's nothing else in there. Let's get the earbuds out. All right, so we have a plastic case. It has some sparkles there. I don't know if you can see them. Heyday really big. USB-C port. I don't see a pairing button anywhere. And that's what they look like. They look like 2 little kettlebells. Let's pull one out. Take a look at them. There you go. So that's what they look like. We're going to go ahead and do the review. See how good they are. The Heyday open-ear earbuds that I got are black. They're priced between $23.99 to $29.99. The $23.99 is based on this orangey color. I don't know what color to call them. Kind of melon color. And $25.49 is the ones that kind of look white or pearl. Then you have ones that are called dark cherry. That's $29.99. And then you have the black ones, which are also $29.99. Now, the reason why I got this is because I was curious to test out how these open ear earbuds work, what the technology behind them is, and what's this whole thing about it. Because personally, if I'm going to wear headphones that I don't want in my ear, I'm just going to buy regular headphones that sit over my ear. I'm not going to look for small earbuds that just sit over my ear canal. Also, to see how well they sound when you have something that's not necessarily all the way in your ear, but just on the outside of the ear. Activating them was a little weird. So as I show you on the unboxing video, you take them out and they have a little plastic over the terminals that connect to the case. The moment you remove that little plastic, you have to put them back in the case in order for them to connect to the terminal. Once you do that, you have to pull them out again, and then you'll see them flashing, and then they'll be searching for Bluetooth in order to connect. There is no button on the case. That whole process is a little annoying. There should be a physical button on the case or a physical button on the earbuds. Battery life was okay. They lasted a bit over 4 hours. I will say about 4.5 hours to 5 hours on not the initial charge. I charged them to 100% and then tested them. The earbuds took an hour to get from 0 to 100% while they were on the case. So recharging them isn't going to take you too long. Now, there's nothing magic about this, okay? As you can see, they're shaped like dumbbells. They have this semicircle that sits in the back of your ears. So in the cartilage of your ears, that's where they go. The thicker part has the battery and touch controls and stuff like that. The smaller part is the part that sits close to your ear. They have a little speaker on the tip, which is, of course, where the sound comes out of. That part is supposed to sit close to the opening of your ear canal. So it's not quite inside your ear, but just outside. And it's like having a little speaker that if you grabbed it and put it next to your ear to listen to things. Build quality is okay. The plastic case doesn't feel super cheap, even though it is. And the earbuds feel pretty sturdy and they have a pretty good build quality. And the way they go on your ears is, I will say, a little tedious to get right. And the reason is because depending on how big your ears are, they're not necessarily going to sit as close to your ear canal as they otherwise should. So if your ears are small, technically the little portion where the sound comes out of, which are like little speakers, is going to sit not necessarily all the way into your ear, but pretty close to the entrance of your ear canal. Where if you have big ears like I do, then they're going to sit back away from your ear canal, if that makes sense. Because of the shape that they have, there's really no way to change how they fit based on the outside of your ear, the cartilage on the outside of your ears. Technically, it's a one size fits all. So the longer the cartilage of your ears is from your ear canal, the farther away they're going to sit, if that makes sense. Which then leads to you having to raise the volume on these things in order to be able to hear them well. Which leads to another problem, because technically, as I mentioned, they're like little speakers that are sitting just outside your ears, which means that the louder you have them, the louder the sound that comes out of them is, and it goes everywhere. So if you're in a quiet office, for example, and you're listening to music or a podcast, people around you are going to be able to hear what you're listening to. Again, depending on how loud it is. And again, the farther away from your ear it is, the louder you have to make them. The sound quality was actually a lot better than I expected it to be. I was surprised. The sound was actually pretty big. The sound was pretty clear. It was nothing that is going to, make you go like, oh my God, I've never heard music like this. But it's within the better range of cheap earbuds that I've tested. This won't fall out of your ears at all, because they actually put enough pressure on your ear to stay on. I was never uncomfortable with them. I never felt them pinching my ear or anything like that. The thing that I did struggle with was getting them on and getting them on the right way. Putting them on the first time around was difficult because that part that clips into your ear is pretty tight. And so I had to hold my ear and push them in individually. I tried to do it, with just one hand and push them in, but I couldn't do it. So I had to hold my ear, pull my ear, and then get them in the right place. Then feeling with my finger if the little speaker was in my ear in the right spot in order to hear what I needed to hear. And it wasn't. So I had to use my phone and technically use it as a mirror to get them in the right spot. Once I was able to do that, the sound was pretty good. Open ear earbuds. That also adds another layer of issues because you don't have the earbuds in your ear. That means that you can hear everything around you. So depending on how loud the place that you're in is, the harder to listen to what you are trying to listen to is going to be, which also means that you're going to have to raise volume, which also means to that it's going to create an issue of people being able to hear what you're listening to. If you work in a quiet area, you're not going to have issues with this. If you're taking public transportation, if you're out in the street walking around with this and stuff like that, you're going to hear the cars, you're going to hear the people, you're going to hear the honks, you're going to hear everything. So keep that in mind. Because of the nature of the product, you're going to have that issue. Phone calls. With phone calls, I was very, very surprised at how good they were. I could hear the person through the headphones very well. The person that I was talking to could hear me very well as well. The problem is that they pick up every sound around. I switched and I had the person wear the headphones while I gave them a call because I wanted to hear what it sounded like. And I was able to hear them very well. I was very, very surprised. I was going to say blown away at how clear their voice was on the phone call, because I was expecting this to sound like something like that, But it wasn't. It was very clear. But I could hear the clickety clacking of the keyboard. I could hear the noise in the house. Not enough where I couldn't hear them, but enough where it became distracting and I could pick up on the noises around over what the person was saying, right? I mean, we might be different people in that aspect, but the moment I heard a noise, I could pick up on the noise and my focus will kind of go to that noise instead of what the person was saying on the phone call. That was, I will say again, double-edged sword. A good thing, but also a bad thing. These earbuds do not have noise canceling, active noise canceling, or anything like that. And the reason is because they sit outside your ear. They do not go in your ear. Touch control was horrible.
it was hard to find. It was hard to figure out. The way, again, maybe the way they sit in your ear and my ear is different, but the touch control felt like it was all the way behind my ear, which made it difficult at times to figure out where I was supposed to touch. So there was a lot of me just kind of like slowly touching along the earbud until I found the spot where I was supposed to touch in order to play something, pause something, answer a call, then a call, things like that. Once you did it, of course, as all of these things was pretty intuitive. There is a delay every time you do something on this. I will say it's a pretty long delay, where there were a few times that I actually pressed the button, quote unquote, more than once because I didn't think that the earbuds had detected the touch. So if I wanted to pause a song, I will press it once and it wouldn't happen. So I will press it again. And then, the song will pause and then it will play. Those were my issues with this. Now, I don't think the $30 is worth it. I think $30 is too much money for these things. For $24, that's not a bad price. Again, depends on what it is that you're going to use them for and where you're going to use them. Quiet environment where you need to listen to your environment. Perfect idea. If you are in a home where you need to be listening to children, or if you're taking care of a grown-up that you need to listen to for them to call you out, call your name or something like that, but you want to be able to listen to something, this will work great for that because it allows you to listen to whatever it is that you want to listen to without bothering the people around you, but also keeps your ears open to hear if someone is calling you for something. For something like that, I think these are great. For you to actually commute with them, work with them, work out with them, I wouldn't recommend that at all because I think you're going to be very, very annoyed with having to play with the volume with the earphones, in order to get the sound that you need to get and to try to isolate the noise around you and things like that. To resume, as I said, sound-wise, they're okay. Phone calls-wise, they are great, except you're going to pick up on the noise in the surroundings of whoever you're speaking to. Design-wise, they are, again, a toss-up because of how difficult it is to get them right. And I will think that the more you do it, the more you use them, the easier it will be for you to get used to it. It is, I will say, a learning curve on how to wear them and, where to put them on and all of that versus just grabbing a pair of earbuds that go straight into your ear or a pair of headphones that go over your ear. So yeah, that is the review for the Heyday open ear earbuds. Have you used this product? Have you been looking for something like this? Do you have any other questions that I might be able to answer for you? Go ahead and let me know in the comment section. That is it for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching.